Hello everyone and welcome to the French Promenade channel. Finally, today the weather is great. It has been raining for 2 weeks, but today the weather is sunny and we are heading to Vaucluse to visit an antique market, and on the way we saw such a beautiful place we would love to share with you. In this region you can see a lot of poppy fields along the road. Look at the riot of colors. This field reminds me a lot of a Claude Monet painting Champ des Coquelicots. A month ago we wanted to shoot the tulip fields, but they don't bloom for a long time and we missed this opportunity. But the poppies bloom longer and you can enjoy such colors with us. Here we are arrived in the city L'Isle-sur-la-Sorgue. It's one of the beautiful villages of Provence in the department of Vaucluse, and this town is known for its famous antiquity market, which ranks third in Europe after Paris and London. More than 350 antique boutiques are opened in this town all year round on weekends and holidays. And during the major annual events, this number can triple. Sunday morning market, one of the most animated and colorful in Provence. These locations with boutiques are called Antique Village, and there are 7 of them in the city. It's really hot and feeling like a summer today, so we are gonna get some ice cream. All the terraces are occupied and we found this cozy place. We'll have a lunch and then continue our walk. Subscribe to the channel, drop your likes, leave your comments, we're always happy to see you.